ArchiCAD is a premier BIM building information modeling software that has transformed the way architects and designers approach their projects. Its intuitive interface and powerful tools offer a seamless experience for creating detailed 3D models and comprehensive documentation. One of ArchiCAD's standout features is its collaborative environment, which enables multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously, enhancing productivity and ensuring everyone is on the same page. The software's flexibility in handling complex geometries and large-scale projects is impressive, making it suitable for a wide range of architectural tasks from small residential buildings to extensive commercial complexes. Additionally, ArchiCAD's integrated rendering engine produces high-quality visualizations that help architects present their designs in a compelling and realistic manner. The software's robust library of parametric objects allows for easy customization, ensuring that every detail of the project can be tailored to specific needs. Furthermore, ArchiCAD's interoperability with other design and engineering software through various file formats like DWG, IFC, and PDF streamlines the workflow, reducing the potential for errors and saving valuable time. The regular updates and continuous development of ArchiCAD reflect Graphisoft's commitment to staying at the forefront of technology, providing users with cutting-edge tools and features. The built-in energy evaluation tools also underscore the software's dedication to sustainability, enabling architects to design buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally friendly. User support and a vibrant online community further enhance the ArchiCAD experience, offering assistance and resources that ensure users can make the most out of the software's capabilities. In conclusion, ArchiCAD stands out as a versatile and comprehensive tool that empowers architects to bring their creative visions to life with precision and efficiency. Its combination of advanced features, user-friendly interface, and strong support network make it an invaluable asset in the architectural design process.